Hey there! I'm Aline Pilani, and in this video series, I will speak about the 10 keys of successful weight loss. You see, after I have helped and interviewed thousands of people who successfully lost weight, I found 10 keys they all had in common and that you must follow. Each of these 10 keys has a video and a practical exercise, which is very important to do if you want to be successful. So let's start with key number 1. All the people who achieved success in weight loss changed their lifestyle. So you will have to adopt new habits and let go of all the ones that do not help you. This is very important, and I ask you to be completely open to change. My recommendation is to take a piece of paper and make a list with all your daily habits and look at the ones that don't help you. An example can be drinking coffee late in the evening. Then, find a habit you could replace it with. For example, you could replace it with drinking unsweetened green tea instead. So right now, take a piece of paper and list 10 to 20 habits that are stopping you and 10 to 20 new habits that you could adopt in order to live a healthier life. What's very important is to focus on doing the new habits for 21 days, and I promise you that if you are able to do them, your life will change in a spectacular way. So again, take a piece of paper and do the exercise.